Phil's conversation app has 4 main features. If you want to chat with Phil, click Chat. Select Phil, and then write your message. Phil will respond to you as soon as he sees his notification. Then we have the calendar feature. Please confirm all appointments so there's never any confusion as to where or when a conversation will take place. In your to-do list, you can check all the tasks that Phil will set you. Once you finish a task, click Mark as complete and Phil will know that you've done it. Then we have the vocabulary feature. Quizlet is a powerful tool with which you can improve your vocabulary. Phil will always add new vocabulary for you to practice, so make sure you check it.